Are you considering venturing into the world of homesteading and embracing a self-sufficient lifestyle? If so, these 3 essential books are the perfect starting points to guide you on your journey. Each book offers unique insights, practical advice, and a wealth of knowledge tailored to different aspects of homesteading, from maximizing the use of your land to living entirely off the grid. By diving into these comprehensive resources, you'll gain the confidence and expertise needed to transform your dream of a sustainable, independent lifestyle into a reality. The Encyclopedia of Country Living author, Carla Emery. Description: The Encyclopedia of Country Living is widely considered the Bible of homesteading. This comprehensive guide covers all aspects of self-sufficient living, from growing your own food to raising livestock, preserving food, and making homemade products. With over 800 pages of practical advice, step-by-step instructions, and personal anecdotes, this book has become a must-have resource for anyone interested in pursuing a more self-reliant lifestyle. The Backyard Homestead author, Carleen Madigan. Description: The Backyard Homestead is a fantastic resource for those looking to make the most of their small plot of land. This guide focuses on maximizing the productivity of even the tiniest spaces, providing information on planting, harvesting, and preserving food, raising animals, and creating a sustainable, self-sufficient homestead. With easy-to-follow instructions and diagrams, this book is perfect for beginners and experienced homesteaders alike. The Self-Sufficient Life and How to Live It author, John Seymour. Description: The Self-Sufficient Life and How to Live It is a classic guide to living off the grid and achieving self-sufficiency. This book teaches readers how to grow their own fruits and vegetables, raise animals for food and other resources, and create a completely self-reliant lifestyle. With detailed illustrations and a wealth of practical advice, this book is an essential read for anyone interested in homesteading, sustainable living, or simply reducing their reliance on modern conveniences. Those are considered some of the best books to start with when it comes to beginning a homestead journey. Happy reading! Don't miss out on the opportunity to join our thriving homesteading community by subscribing to our YouTube channel. You'll gain access to practical, easy-to-follow tutorials, expert advice, and inspiring stories from fellow homesteaders. Our channel will be your go-to resource for sustainable living tips and the support you need to embark on your self-sufficient journey. Subscribe today and start transforming your life, one step at a time.